Opel Vivaro 2001 to 2014 full fuse diagram explained in seconds. Passenger compartment fuse box. The main fuse box is located at the rear of the instrument panel. New fuse box diagrams and relay guides every week. Subscribe now to CARFUSETAP. Engine compartment fuse box diagram. In the engine compartment, the unit is located on the left side under a protective cover. Type 1. Type 2. Type 1. Type 2. Relay box 2.